Howdy, folks. Today I'm going to be a criminal barrister. I've chatted to one, a legitimate one, apparently, and I've got a couple of answers. And we have an issue at hand, which is today the random drug testing, which is cooking all over Sydney streets, worldwide, I would assume also. Perhaps some of these questions you would appreciate an answer for. And so, given that I am playing the barrister card, I'd like to put on my best shabut and pass it over to Azaria to ask some
Looks
questions.
very authentic right there.
Thank you.
I'm here to ask some questions. The first one is, do I have the right to refuse a roadside drug test by police?
You have the right to do anything that you wish on planet Earth. However, there will be implications for everything that you do.
What about the universe?
If you refuse to take the test, man, you're just going to be you're going to be dealt with in a harsher manner than if you were honest from the get-go.
Okay. All right. If I blow positive to an illicit drug, or if I blow, I think it's swabbing. I think it's if I swab positive is the correct thing. So if I swab positive to an illicit drug on the roadside, what happens next?
This is a super duper important piece of the puzzle, as anything that you say there at the scene is going to be written in a police report. It's going to be put in front of a magistrate. In that case, if you're shown to be disingenuous at the site, then they're going to assume that you're full of shit right there in the courtroom. And so, again, I would suggest that you're honest from the get-go. And hey,
can I override your suggestion and just say, hey, just say nothing. It won't get written down. Wait for your lawyer.
Yeah,
Kids.
Yeah. Absolutely, you can do so. But still, if you do blow or you're swabbed and you're taken downtown, then you can say jack shit when you're downtown. But you're gonna have to wait until the time elapses between your swab and your downtown, all this fucking bullshit.
If you're positive, you get taken downtown anyway, yeah?
That's correct, yeah. So yeah, refuse whatever you wish, my friend.
So, less is more, say nothing. Okay, can you test positive if you have been at a party where people have been smoking marijuana?
Yeah, passive ingestion is a thing, it's a real thing, everyone's aware of it. If you're gonna play that card, you're going to have to also be aware that during the lab testing, they know how much is possible to be ingested passively.
Yeah.
And so if you're fucking high as a kite and you say, oh, I was just sitting next to my buddy who was smoking meth, they're going to be like, well, it appears you've got fucking $1,200 worth of the shit running through your ball sack currently.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And so you're going to have to be a little bit measured in your approach when it comes to that. Had you had a reefer before bed just to relax the night prior to, then absolutely. You can say, I just came from a party and I was, maybe some secondhand smoke entered the agenda, but maybe not also.
Okay, so you can't be like, oh, sorry, officer, I was smoking heroin, someone slipped some hash in it instead. And like, here I am. Like,
I reckon
be careful what you say.
Probably show
Maybe
up
just
at the
don't
test.
say, if you're me, don't say anything.
Yeah.
I think this is my answer to everything. Even though you're giving
Yeah.
like great
I'm trying
advice.
to advise you here.
Okay, cool. It's worked for
Open up.
a friend of mine.
Yeah.
That always gets into trouble. Based on what you said, like whether you've smoking weed at night time to go to bed, how long does it stay in your system?
Look, we've all heard varied reports on this, but they say 9 to 12 hours with orally ingested marijuana. I've heard 72 hours, but that was like street chat, bar chat, bullshit.
I think there's a lot of myth and sort of fear that's put out there in the media. So
That's
to
why
keep
we're
everyone
here,
safe.
We're debunking the bullshit.
All right. Oh, I want an answer on that.
Yeah. Look, they say methamphetamine is 2 days.
Okay.
They say marijuana 1 day. There are a ton of different variables. The speed of your metabolism, the amount that you ingested, how cut down whatever it was you were sucking on is. Yeah, I mean.
So just to be safe, let's not do any of the drug at all ever.
I wouldn't.
Yep.
Not while jumping behind the wheel, that's for sure.
If I test positive to drugs, will the police search my car for the drugs?
Police can search your car or your person if they have reasonable belief.
Can they slip into my asshole?
I'd like to hope so.
What's the laws? Like, when does it come to the point where it's like, spread them? Sorry.
Yeah.
Spread your legs and your cheeks, boy.
Yeah, they can do whatever they want, provided they have reasonable belief that there is, a good reason to do so. But no, they don't have to, and it's unlikely that they'd ask to do so. They've already fucking nabbed you, man. If you're reading positive, you go downtown. The next step happens down there, on site. Take it as you will, But follow your best instincts, and get a good lawyer in tow, and maybe a female judge might help too somewhere down the line.
Yeah, flutter your eyes, flex your muscles. Everything is all good. And police officers are people too. Just offer them a line. I'm just kidding. Don't take any drugs.
Who was
at all.
giving you advice? I'm the one with
You were sitting next to me at the time.
Okay, thank you. I think we're going to wrap it there, my friend.